Take olive oil with lemon only on an empty stomach. No honey. Put olive oil with lemon one night before bed, and you won't ignore it for your whole life. Mix extra virgin olive oil with lemon juice and take them on an empty stomach, and you won't ignore this recipe for your whole life. Before the secret, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to support our team keep up making videos for you. The last point is super important. I will share at the end of the video. Extra virgin olive oil, a healthy vegetable oil containing monounsaturated fatty acids, polyphenols, and various nutrients. Lemon, highly acidic fruit rich in vitamins and essential compounds. Combining olive oil with lemon juice offers numerous health benefits. Health benefits. Number 1. Inflammatory diseases. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols. Lemon juice is a source of vitamin C. The combination yields a high concentration of bioactive antioxidants. This mixture is beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. Number 2. Strengthens memory, enhances memory retention, boosts concentration abilities, acts as a preventive measure against Alzheimer's disease. Number 3. Skin and hair health enhances memory retention, boosts concentration abilities, acts as a preventive measure against Alzheimer's disease, contains potent antioxidants crucial for combating harmful free radicals. Number 4. Blood circulation. Olive oil stimulates blood circulation and enhances cardiovascular function. Rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants like oleic acid and polyphenols. These components lower bad cholesterol levels and mitigate stroke risks. Number 5. Stomach improve. Olive oil and lemon juice combination softens stomach mucous membranes. Olive oil can help lower symptoms of conditions such as gastritis and ulcers due to its anti-inflammatory effects. It supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, further aiding digestion. Number 6. Improve liver. Enhances liver performance. The mixture improves liver function, promoting overall health. It eliminates the virus responsible for hepatitis A infection, thus preventing its spread to healthy cells. The mixture restricts the proliferation of the hepatitis, a virus within the body, aiding in containment and prevention of further infection. Number 7. Improve blood vessels. Lemon contains high levels of ascorbic acid or vitamin C, crucial for maintaining the integrity of blood vessels, bones, and teeth. Vitamin C deficiency, caused by inadequate lemon consumption, can result in various health issues, notably scurvy, characterized by weakened capillaries and increased susceptibility to wounds. Insufficient intake of vitamin C from lemon may also lead to persistent mouth ulcers and bleeding gums. Number 8. Improve joints. Lemon helps to remove uric acid from joints, which is one of the main causes of arthritis. Number 9. Helps in weight loss. The mixture contains olive oil, which contains oleic acid. Oleic acid stimulates the production of a peptide hormone. Increased production of this hormone leads to enhanced feelings of satiety. Consequently, the mixture contributes to weight loss. Number 10. Improve kidneys. Anti-inflammatory properties and high monounsaturated fat content in olive oil contribute to kidney health. Monounsaturated fats help regulate blood pressure and decrease the likelihood of kidney disease. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, guarding against oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Comment olive, and I may tag your name in next video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Question: drop a comment below about any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos.